I begin by smoking out the outer corner of the eye with a black eye pencil. I'm using Chanel Le Crayon Kohl Eye Pencil. With a clean eye brush, blend and smoke out the black color. I'm using the Sigma E25 brush. With a large blending brush, I'm placing the shade Nude Rose in the higher part of my upper eyelid. Taking the shade Sienna Mystique and placing it all over the transition area. Now, with the shade Extreme Vermilion Dusk, I'm going to deepen the dark color in the outer corner, and intensify the crease. I'm going to use some NYX glitter primer in the inner and center of the lid, to minimize the fallout of the Blitz shadows. Placing the shade Blitz Crimson Ecstasy in the center of the eyelid. And in the inner corner of the lid, I'm placing the shade Astral Pink Fetish. OMG, look at all this fallout. Intensifying the Astral Pink Fetish shade and the Blitz Crimson Ecstasy by applying it with the finger. Time for tie lining with a dark brown eye pencil. And the same in the waterline. Now, some blending with the shade Extreme Vermilion Dusk. And a pop of light with the shade Astral Gilded Aura. Final result. Thanks for watching.